Good morning. It's about 6:30 this morning. This is the day. It's going to be a long day, but it's going to be a good day. The days we get rid of all of our chickens. We got 8 houses. They 40 foot wide, 500 foot long. Each of them got about 25,000 in each house. So right now we're getting here to get feed cut off and walk through them and then make sure everything is good, and then we'll start getting hoppers off on the inside and get ready for a long day, start raising up equipment and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go in here and see what these right here look like. There's the controller and everything. It keeps the temperature and everything, all the ventilation good. Towards the front of the house. There's the back. Get more breakfast. We'll just go ahead and get started on this, and we got a long day ahead of us. Right now we're just in here walking through the house, checking on the feed lines and the water and everything, make sure everything's good for them. These birds right here, they are 35 days old. They'll be headed out this evening with the processor. We're hoping to get a weight projection of about 440 out of these. So if we can do that in 35 days, as far as the week that we'll be going against the other growers and everything, we should be pretty good right here on this farm.
Chicken houses, all the feed is run out. What my husband's about to do right now is undo the hoppers. The hoppers is what the feed goes down in to run down the feeder lines. There's 2 in each house. There's one on the other side for that side, and then there's one right here. When all the feed runs out of the lines, we'll come back in a couple hours and let the feeder lines up. And there's one down.
Right now we're in the first house, get the feeder lines raised up. We got a drill there with a hook rod on it. Got some unit stuff there in the ceiling. We have these feeder raised up about 4 or 5 hours before they get here to start loading up the chickens. And right now we'll have, after we get this right here raised up, then we'll wait about another 2 hours to start raising all the water lines. These houses are 2 feeder lines in each house, and there's 8 water lines in each house. So right now we're getting this here raised up and get everything ready for them to go. Well, here's the first load that's going out today. They can load the truck up in about 40 minutes, something like that. The first load. Start here on this house. This crew is, and on the other house, it's got another crew coming in at 6 o'clock to start on them. So right now it's about a little bit after 5. So we're hoping by midnight, our day of getting rid of over 200,000 chickens will be over with. So far, so good. In one of the houses now, we got everything raised up. All the water lines up, didn't have the feeder lines up. The kitchen crews, they are here now. They already got started on some other houses. So about 6 o'clock now. We had one crew that started about 4:40, another started at about 5:20. So everything's going pretty good so far. If everything goes well, we may have about 200,000 chickens gone by midnight. That's the goal right now. It's been a long day, but it'll be a good one, though. Well, we got the first house is empty. It's a whole lot quieter in here now than it was about 45 minutes ago. But the house is empty and getting everything, getting all the fans off and get the lights off and everything, and we'll get ready to start getting ready for the next flock, getting the walls washed down and everything sprayed and cleaned and everything, and we'll get ready to do it again about another 2 or 3 weeks, something like that. Well, this view right here is a whole lot better than what we've been showing everyone since this morning about 6:30. We pretty much got all the work done getting rid of all the chickens. We just got to go back up there in maybe another hour and turn the fans off and turn the lights off when they get done and everything. But it's been a long, hard day, but it's been a good day. Everything went pretty smooth, had good weather, didn't have nothing to break down or anything. So now we're just sitting out here by the pool. I don't know if you can hear the frogs in the background down at the pond, but the frogs are very happy right now. So this is a wrap, and we're gonna get back at it in the morning, getting ready for the next flock.